Hey everybody, Swarsky here. Just wanted to give you a quick little explanation on that last question on our exit slip. I know that one was probably a challenge. It was meant to be tough. Some of you might be a little frustrated, saying I didn't know what to do. I was confused. I didn't know how to set it up. So I'm going to just show you, just so we can kind of see. Now I want you to take a deep breath, relax. This isn't a performance. This isn't a test kind of thing. Just kind of wanted to see where we're at, see how we do with the more challenging one. You guys did a great job. Being confused is not a bad thing. In fact, I wish we had a little more of that. But as long as you did this, gave it a shot, I'll give you 100% on your stuff. I know I was really reaching, especially with this question. I'll kind of check the first three. That one should be fine. Should be able to tell me scale factor, comparisons, and all that stuff. So I'll check that. If you haven't done that entrance slip or exit slip, make sure you do that. Check the daily doc from yesterday. And here we go. So, like I said in the question, make sure you are using your similarity statement to be able to tell you, because you can see this is a pretty confusing figure, but it makes it a little easier when I have the similarity statement. Because remember, everything corresponds as far as the sides and the angles. So I know when I look at this, like AB, side AB, when I have here, that's one that's missing, but I know that corresponds to CD, and that ratio is going to be the same as BC over DB. And remember, I'm finding these by looking at these pieces. Okay, and then lastly, I also know that AC is the same as CB. So I remember I have three proportionate sets of sides, and I have three congruent angles, and I only care about the sides, and I can't, even though it may be tough with the figure, it's easy with the similarity statement. And now all I need to do, or all that I can do, is I can say, all right, well, let's fill in the stuff that we know. Well, I know CD in this case is 7. I actually have 2 of these BCs. Those are both, that's the same, those are 10. And finally, I have DB. DB is 8. Well, now when I look at this, it's pretty easy. When I look at it, I can simply set this equal, which I'll do. So I have this. Now I can find AB, call that X, cross multiply. So I can say, well, that's 8X equals 70. Okay, divide. When I do that, and what do I get? 7, I'm going to get a decimal on that. 70 divided by 8. So X or AB, which is one of the things I need to find, would be 8.75. Or, since I told you to do it as the nearest tenth, would be 8.8. I actually left both of those as options just because I know some people see that 8.75 and it's just too tempting to put that in there. And now the next one here, I'm going to find AC, same thing, but now I'll cross multiply. I got 100, and then that'll give me 8, and let's call it Y, or AC would be the same thing. 100 divided by 8, and that will give me, I think, 12.5. Let me see, 100 divided by 8. Hey, there we go. Y is 12.5. Done. Okay. So now that we look at that, once you kind of see this, a lot of people are like, oh, yeah, I got it. It's just getting to that point that just makes it a little bit of a challenge. All right. Just wanted to give you an update, let you see that. Remember, as long as you give those an attempt, I'll give you 100% on it. Just giving it a shot. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Finish the stuff on the daily doc here, and I will see you on the next video, and I will see you in person if you are watching this.